Hello, friends. Today I'm just going to talk about the mad rush. What is this mad rush all about? People are running towards life. People are thinking that ways of living life is living life. But there is a lot of difference between living life and ways of living life. So there is a lot of misconception among people that that people are becoming great in their own achievements. Like people talk about their achievements. People say that I have become a doctor. People say that I have become an engineer. People say that there is this big businessman who is making a lot of money in his life. People say that he is a very much renowned doctor in his area. People say that he has acquired a lot of land, so he is successful and all. And people say that one person has established his business and he is making a lot of money and he is living a good life. But I'll tell you one thing, you guys must understand that there is a difference between ways of living and living a life. So what is this ways of living? So people who are doing business, people who are doing job, people who are successful in their areas are actually living this. These are called the ways of living a life. But what actually is life all about? See, this is a place, I'm just sitting in a river. Just want to narrate a small story. There was a yogi who was sitting besides a river like this, and he was enjoying with fishes. And one day, the king of that place sent him an invite that, he want to make him as a minister of his kingdom. But what happened is, the king sent few soldiers, and this person was actually sitting and he was actually making a lot of living for himself. He was enjoying his time under the sea. When the soldiers came and asked, please come to my palace. So what he told very important thing, that I don't want to be in a mad rush. The kingdom is like a mad rush for us, and I don't want to go there and make a living where there is a lot of rush for making a life. So it happened, I just wanted to show you an example also how people are rushing towards living a life. So just see like how persons are risking their life in order to live a life completely filled with rush. This is very dangerous way of living life. You can see a biker here who is just riding his motorcycle, and he's riding with a very high speed. This is the rush which is there among the people. Hope you can see besides me there is a bike rider. He's utilizing this opportunity to rush towards his goal, but at the same time he is risking his life. He is not able to understand what is life all about. So I just want to tell the same thing the yogi told, the day I come to your palace, that is the day I'm going to die. So the soldiers were quite amazed and quite surprised, and they asked him a question like, why you will die? Because he told that I'll be having all the kingdom, I'll be become a minister of this country, and I'll be having a good house and all. But that is not life all about. Life is here in this, besides this river, wherein I can sit and celebrate my life with me and myself. So what is that me and myself I'm talking about? What is life I'm talking about? The external comforts which are there are not life. For example, you may think, what are these external comforts? I may buy a material thing, like for example, I'm purchasing a car. A car is an external thing, but it is giving a comfort which is inside me. A comfort of ride is called that internal thing which I am getting out of my car. Secondly, if you purchase a good mattress or a good bed, that good bed is going to give you a good sleep, and sleep is the internal thing. Secondly, if you're going to buy a good house, it is an external thing. But the thing is that you're going to enjoy the comfort of the house. The comfort is an internal thing. You're able to purchase, you have the power of money to purchase good food and all for yourself, luxuries for yourself. What is the purpose of it? Having a good food is an external thing, but the capacity to digest the food is an internal thing. So that internal thing is what we are looking for. The third point I want to tell is that you are having an air-conditioned room, but at the same time, to enjoy the comforts of an air-conditioned room, you should be able to enjoy the air-conditioned air which is coming out of it. But at the same time, if you're suffering with cold and all, you cannot enjoy the comfort of an air-conditioned room. This is called living a life. So there is a lot of confusion. People are just wasting a time making money and all. Making money is way of living life. It is a way of living a life, but it is not actually living a life of fulfillment. The space which I'm spending, the time which I'm spending here is actually the time which I'm spending for my life. This is a life of fulfillment, and this life is given to only fulfillment, not to lead and run towards a mad rush for the material things, to acquire the material things. And now it has been seen that people are just rushing towards earning money and thinking it by mistake that this is life. Though you're a doctor, though you're an engineer, though you're a scientist, though you're a businessman, top leading businessman, I would say you are just making a way to lead life, but that is not life. The day you understand this, the difference between making a living and living a life of fulfillment, then you'll understand what is life all about. Let us talk about such videos and let us think and apply the principles of life and make us more comfortable. See you guys once again. This is Umakant Reddy, your life coach and mentor.